In the name of Allah, I am Mohammad Ashraf, teacher, Government High School, Shanu, and I am going to deliver English lecture for class 8th. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. You know that we are reading Rustam and Saurabh, short story number 4. We have read it on page number 100. No, we are continuing its reading. Today I want to read it more paragraph. Tanima named her son Sohrab, which means child of many smiles. Sohrab grew up into a brave and handsome boy. He learned to use the sword and shield and became skilled in the art of war. For miles around there was no one who could compete with him. Actually, it is compete with him in feast of swordsmanship. One day there came to that country a young warrior who had fought in distant lands. He challenged Sohrab to single combat. Sohrab readily agreed to fight with him. As they were getting ready for the combat, the young soldier said to Sohrab, "Before we fight, tell me your parentage. I do not fight in a single combat with anyone who is of low birth." The men who had gathered around looked at Sohrab. None knew exactly who Sohrab's father was. Sohrab, who did not know the secret of his birth, hung his head in shame. "We shall meet at dawn tomorrow," he said to his opponent and went away. He hurried home straightway and said to his mother, "Mother, you have hidden from me the name of my father all these years. Unless you tell me at once who my father is, you will see me dead." Then he told his mother what the young soldier had said. I have had reason to hide the name of your father from you, my son, but I will tell you his name now. Said Tanima, "You are the son of the great Rustam, the shield of Persia." Now I will translate it in Kashmiri. Tanima named her son Sohrab. Taniman tho pannis mis nichis na Sohrab, which means child of many smiles. Imuk mani go asmun shur. Sohrab grew up into a brave and handsome boy. Sohrab yel jawan go, ye banya bad asal jawan nafar ladka. He learned to use the sword, imhush talwar chilawi and shield, and became skilled in the art of war. Yas banya bad asal hunarmand yus jangas mans zanan was jangi kartab. For miles around there was no one who could compete with him. Mil wadan tamat os ne heka amis seit muqabal kahin karit in feats of swordmanship. At talwar hindi jangas mans talwar chalawne kis at kartabas mans. One day there came to that country a young warrior. Ek da hindis ak mulkas mans ak jawan jangjuwa ak who had fought in distant lands. Emos much varihan mulkan mans jang kormot, emos varihan mulkan mans im kartab haimit ladai hind im kartab. He challenged Sohrab to single combat. Im yel Sohrab wuch to Sohrab jutun challenge bas hekan ye eksi combatas mans ekis single inning mans harnayit. Sohrab readily agreed to fight with him. Sohrab ti go tayar im seit ladna khadra. As they were getting ready for the combat, yuthi im jang ladna khadra gai tayar, ladai karna khadra gai tayar. The young soldier said to Sohrab, "You jawan, you Fuji os imun Sohrabas. Before we fight, im bront is karo ladai shuru. Tell me your parentage. Me wan so godnes se keshi malis na so kohun chuk. I do not fight a single combat with anyone who is of low birth." Bushus taman seit single combatas mas lad karan ki taman lukan seit yam kampai asan lakchi zat sind asan. The man who had gathered round looked at Sohrab. Yam nafar emis indin Sohrab's in Jamai's government Wushan, none knew exactly who Sohrab's father was. Kai was no say Zanan ke Sohrabun mol kuscho. Sohrab, who did not know the secret of his birth, Sohrab chun Zanan ki Bukimson Nuchushus Isharaz hung his head in shame. Imsun Kalgo Usasa Missy Sham Gayet, you must go Alhondi Kala. We shall meet at dawn tomorrow. أمۍ ووٚن أمِس دَنَس أسۍ سَمکھو صُبحس اِنشاء صُبحٲے بیٚیہِ دۄہ. He said to his opponent and went away. أمۍ ووٚن أمِس پنٛنِس مُخٲلِفَس یُس أمِس opponent اوس rival اوس تہٕ ؤتھِتھ تہٕ درٛاو. He hurried home straightway. یہِ گوٚو سیوٚدُے گَرٕ and said to his mother. ووٚنُن پنٛنہِ ماجہِ Mother, you have hidden from me the name of my father all these years. موجی ژےٚ چھی تھوٚمُت پنٛنِس میٛٲنِس مٲلۍ سُنٛد ناو مےٚ نِش ژوٗرِ ییٖتہَن ؤرۍیَن. Unless you tell me that at once who my father is. اگر نہٕ ژٕ مےٚ وَنکھ ؤلۍ کینٛہہ بہٕ کٔمۍ سُنٛد نیٚچوٗ چھُس. You will see me dead. ژٕ وٕچھِکھ مےٚ تہٕ بہٕ آسہٕ موٚمُت. Then he told his mother what the young soldier had said. پَتہٕ ووٚنُس أمۍ دَنَس أمۍ جوان أمۍ فوجِن کیٛاہ ووٚن مےٚ. I have had reason to hide the name of your father from you. ماجہِ ووٚن أمِس my son دَنَس گوٚبُر مےٚ چھِ اَتھ منٛز چھُ وجہ مےٚ کیٛازِ تھوٚو چٲنِس مٲلۍ سُنٛد ناو ژےٚ نِش ژوٗرِ ییٖتہَن ؤرۍیَن. But I will tell you his name now. مگر بہٕ وَنَے ژےٚ وٕنۍ تٔمۍ سُنٛد ناو. Said Tanima. ووٚننَس أمۍ تنیٖمان یۄس أمِس مٲج ٲس. You are the son of great Rustum. ژٕ چھُکھ نیٚچوٗ تٔمِس رُستُمُن یُس بوٚڑ بار فوجی سپاہ سالار the shield of Prussia. یُس پرٛشیوُک شیٖلڈٕ چھُ ییٚمِس پرٛشیاہَس منٛز وَنان چھِ یہِ ہسا چھُ محافِظ اَمیُک پرٛشیوک فارسُک. When Sohrab heard these words, ییٚلہِ سورابَن یِم لفظ بوٗزۍ his heart was filled with pride. أمِس ہسا گوٚو فخر پنٛنہِ جایہِ. رُستُم دَنَس رُستُمُن I am the son of Rustum. بہٕ چھُس سا رُستُمُن. Oh, why did you hide this from me all these years? ژےٚ کیٛازِ تھوٚوُتھ یہِ ژوٗرِ ییٖتہَن ؤرۍیَن مےٚ نِش یہِ ناو. Let me now go and announce my father's name and fight my challenger. وَلہٕ وۄنۍ گژھٕ بہٕ کَرٕ اعلان پنٛنِس مٲلۍ سُنٛد ناو تہٕ بہٕ لَڑٕ أمِس پنٛنِس چَلینجَرَس سۭتۍ. At dawn the next day. صُبحٲے دُبارٕ دوٚیمہِ دۄہ صُبحٲے Sohrab met his challenger. Sohrab سَمکھیٛاو أمِس پنٛنِس چَلینجَرَس یُس ییٚمِس چَلینج أمِس کوٚرمُت اوس at the place اَتھ جایہِ of the combat ییٚتہِ یِمَن لَڑٲے کَران اوس جنگُک یہِ مٲدان ییٚتٮ۪تھ گوٚمُت اوس تشخیٖش. And announced کوٚرُکھ اعلان ووٚنُن اعلان I am Sohrab. بہٕ چھُس Sohrab son of Rustum. رُستُمُن نیٚچوٗ the shield of Prussia یُس ایٖرانُک فارسُک تحفظ چھُ. I accept your challenge. بہٕ چھُس چون چَلینج ایٚکسیپٹ کَران. Are you ready to fight? ژٕ چھُکھا فایٹ کَرنہٕ خٲطرٕ تیار لَڑٲے کَرنہٕ خٲطرٕ تیار. At the very sound of Rustum's name Sohrab's opponent lost courage. یُتھُے رُستُمُن ناو بوٗز أمۍ Sohrabٕنۍ opponentَن أمِس ہسا رٲو ہٮ۪متھٕے. He hastily withdrew his challenge. أمۍ نیوٗ پَنُن چَلینج واپَس. Such was the fear of Rustum's name inspired. یوٗتاہ اوس خوف رُستُمٕنۍ ناوٕ سۭتۍ یوٗتاہ اوس گوٚمُت أمۍ سُنٛد ناوُک خوف تٲری لُکَن پٮ۪ٹھ. Sohrab returned home and said to his mother. Sohrab آو گَرٕ واپَس ووٚن پنٛنہِ ماجہِ I must go in search of my father and find him. مےٚ چھُ ضروٗری گژھُن مےٚ چھُ ژھانٛڈُن پَنُن مول بہٕ گژھن سُہ ژھانٛڈنہِ خٲطرٕ. I shall set out at once. بہٕ نیرٕ وٕنۍ. His mother begged him not to go away leaving her alone. أمۍ سٕنٛز ماجہِ کوٚر أمِس زارٕ پار دَنَس مہٕ ژَل گژھ ژٕ. أمِس کَریٛاو أمِس زارٕ پار دَنَس مہٕ گژھ مےٚ مہٕ ترٛاو کُنُے زوٚنُے کینٛہہ. But finding him determined to go. مگر وۄنۍ یُتھُے أمِس باسیٛاو کہِ أمۍ سُنٛد یہِ اِرادٕ چھُ مُصمم یہِ چھِ گژھنہٕ خٲطرٕ وۄنۍ تیار. She said أمۍ ووٚن أمِس How will you and Rustum know each other? ژٕ تہٕ رُستُم کِتھ کٔنۍ ہیٚکِو اَکھ أکِس زٲنِتھ تُہۍ نہٕ وٕچھمُت چھُو نہٕ اَکھ أکِس. تۄہہِ کِتھ کٔنۍ لَگیو پَتہ ژےٚ کِتھ کٔنۍ لٔگی پَتہ یہِ چھُ رُستُم چون مول. Your father let me before you were born. چٲنۍ مٲلۍ چھُس بہٕ تَمی دۄہ ترٛٲومٕژ left me تَمی دۄہ ترٛٲومٕژ یہِ ژٕ اوسُکھ زٮ۪نٕے. But Sohrab was bent on going. مگر Sohrab اوس بِلکُل گژھنہٕ خٲطرٕ تیار. یہِ اوس جُکیومُت گژھنہٕ خٲطرٕ. I will not return. بہٕ یِمَے نہٕ واپَس کینٛہہ. He said unless I find my father. ییٖژ کاس نہٕ بہٕ پَنُن مول ژھانٛڈان کینٛہہ. آز گوٚو یُتھُے اِنشاء صُبحس کَرو أسۍ کَنٹِنیوٗ اَمہِ جایہِ پٮ۪ٹھ برونٛہہ کُن. تہٕ تُہۍ وٕچھِو اَصٕل پٲٹھۍ یہِ ویٖڈیو شِیَر تہِ کٔرِو تہٕ بیٚیہِ وٕچھِو تُہۍ یہِ ریٖڈِنٛگ تہِ کِتھ کٔنۍ چھِ اَمِچ تہٕ بیٚیہِ کھوٗلِو بیٚیہِ گَرِ کِتاب تہٕ بیٚیہِ کٔرِو ٹراے. اِنشاء اللہ صُبحس پَرٕ بہٕ بیٚیہِ اَمہِ جایہِ پٮ۪ٹھ برونٛہہ کُن. تھینک یوٗ گُڈ باے خُدا حافِظ.